Hello dear friend, today we will introduce you with our carry out the repairing brand for the rigid endoscopes. The famous rigid endoscope including the Olympus, Striker, car stores, and Wolf, and with the Escalade. Now we will show you with the car stores, and this is the diameter is 4 millimeters. Also, this is the Endoscope with the Richard Wolf. You can see, yeah. And also this is the Wolf. And we also have the, you can see this one. This is 30 degrees. This is Chinese Senda. Yeah. This is, you can see, also with the car stores. This is a Endoscope. And this is the Wolf Endoscope, and yes, this is 4 millimeters, the rigid scope, and this is the big size with the 10. You can see with the 10 and with the 10 millimeters. And this is the 30 degrees with the angle. Yes, we will show this is finished, and we will show you with the most best popular brand for the rigid scope. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.